Welcome to ColorGATE. In this video, we will show you step by step how to upgrade to a new major version, for example from version 24.02 to version 25. The first step is to check if you have a valid value pack. If you have one, you are able to upgrade, and the upgrade is free of charge. To find out whether you have a valid value pack, please go to ColorGATE.com and click on Support. Click on Login/Register and log in with your login credentials. Click on Menu, Account and Licenses, and go to the Licenses tab. Click on the license you want to upgrade. Under the Support Options section, you see the expiration date of your value pack. If you don't have a valid value pack, please contact our customer service via customerservice@colorgate.com. Please remember to include your license number. If your value pack is valid, you can continue with the upgrade. If you still want to use your current version in this example, 24.02, after the upgrade of your license, you must install the latest build of your current version before upgrading. This ensures compatibility between both versions. You can find the installer for this build in our support area. Please go to the ColorGATE support area and log in. Click on Download and Installation. Click on Software and select your software, Production Server, ProofGate, or FilmGate. Select your currently installed version. In our example, this is version 24. At the top of the list, you will find the latest build of this version. Click the download icon to download the installer and afterwards install this build. If you are going to use the new software version on the same computer as the old version, you can skip the next step. If using the new version on another computer than the old version, you should now create a backup of your current system configuration. This ensures that your usual settings, profiles, and printer definitions will be available in the new software version. To back up your current version, open your ColorGATE software. Click on Options, System Configuration, Backup. Select the files you would like to backup and click OK. For more information on the backup function, please watch this video or press F1 to open the online help. You can now upgrade your license. To do this, just drop a short message to customer service at colorgate.com. Please don't forget to include your license number and the version you want to upgrade to. You will get a notification as soon as your license has been upgraded. As soon as you have received this notification, please download and install the new software version. Go again to the ColorGATE support area and log in. Click on Download and Installation. Click on Software and select your software, Production Server, ProofGate, or FilmGate. At the top of the list, you will find the latest installer, in this case for version 25. Click the download icon to download your new software version. Start the installer and follow the instructions. Please make sure to select USB key in the license type selection step. Now, you need to update your USB dongle with the new license. Start the ColorGATE software. A dialog is displayed to start the Key Update tool. Click on Start Update, and the Key Update window is displayed. If Key Update does not start automatically, start it manually at C. Program files x86, ColorGATE software, production server, or FilmGate or ProofGate. Key Update. If your computer has an internet connection, click on Download License File in the Key Update window, and then on Update Attached Dongle. If your computer has no internet connection, go to a computer with internet connection and visit the ColorGATE support area. Login. Click on Menu, Account and Licenses, and open the Licenses tab. Click on the license you want to upgrade and click on Download License File. Transfer the license file to the computer the ColorGATE software is running on, for example with a USB stick, and click on Open License File in the Key Update window. Select the license file. And click on Update Attached Dongle.